If your Google Chrome feels slow or you want to protect your privacy, deleting your search history on Windows takes just a few clicks. Today I'll show you the fastest and safest way to clear your Chrome search history so your browser runs clean and private. In this video you'll learn step by step how to delete your search history in Google Chrome on a Windows computer. I'll walk you through the Chrome settings, explain what each option means, and show you which choices actually matter. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC. Go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From the menu, select History and then click History again. On the left side, choose Clear Browsing Data. Under Basic, make sure browsing history is checked. If you also want to remove cookies or cached files, enable those checkboxes as well. Open the Time Range menu and choose the period you want to delete. To remove everything, select All Time. When you are ready, click Clear Data and wait a few seconds. Your Google Chrome search history on Windows is now completely deleted. If you want Chrome to stop saving your search history in the future, switch to Incognito mode whenever you browse. You can open Incognito mode quickly by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N. To manage your history across devices, sign in to your Google account and check your activity controls. If Chrome still feels slow, clearing cached images and files can sometimes speed up loading times. For maximum privacy, repeat this cleanup regularly. Thanks for watching! If this helped you learn how to delete search history on Google Chrome on Windows, your like makes a big difference. And if you want more tutorials on Office tools, browser settings, and productivity workflows, consider subscribing to the channel.